Hello, I'm going to go over a couple functions that every PowerPoint user should be aware of. First is the eyedropper. I'm going to illustrate that by selecting a shape, go to Shape Fill, go to More Fill Colors, and what you get is you get a dialog box that has that little symbol right there. It's the eyedropper. I'm going to select that, and what happens, you get this magnifying glass looking thing. I'm going to select that color right in the center. I'm going to select that purple there and you hit OK. And there it's loaded. To do it again, I'm going to keep the same shape. I'm going to go to Shape Outline and I'm going to Outline Colors and hit the eyedropper and come and I'm going to say, okay, how green do I want it? Let's say just like about there. And I hit OK. And now you got a green line around that shape. So you can see you can just go through these different shapes there and use the eyedropper to come out with whatever you want to, and it's very handy. The other tool that's real handy is a Format Painter. A lot of people know about it, but a lot of people don't. So if first thing you do is select an image and you look for this thing that looks like a little paintbrush, and you hit Format, and then you select over here and select a different object. If you need to select multiple ones, you can double click and then select, basically get them all looking the same way. I'm going to hit undo, and so that, yeah, it's a very good way to reformat a whole bunch of different objects. The same works with text. You can see there's this text here, the blue. You want the text in different places to look blue. You select Format Painter, and there you go. And it also works with things like tab settings and other things if you want to adjust that. So if you've got this margin set over here, you can select the whole. You have to select the starting in the beginning, and then go up to Format Painter and select the starting beginning of something else, and it does the same thing. So Format Painter is very handy. This also works on Microsoft Word. To illustrate, this is a Word document. You can see there's different formatted text in different places. You could take this text here and hit Format Painter, and this is in Word now, and select a different portion there. You can select this, Format Painter, and select that. So very valuable, works for tables, and again, works for not only Word, but it works for Excel too. You can go in Excel documents, look for the Format Painter, and you'll be up and running. Saves a lot of time.